Alright, let's go.
Jim, I forgot. It's not Jimmy video. Next time.
I'm not Jimmy. Shut the
Next
heck
time.
up. Shut up.
Maybe. Zombies are back!
Yo! Ammo! Oh,
Guys, we need a key! Guys, we need to find a key!
No, we don't! What?
I miss you, zombies! What the hell are you here?
Yeah.
Alright, what are you doing? The key, Rez! Rez, get found the key! The key! Rez, get out! What the fuck is that?
Oh!
What the fuck? Rez, open the key!
I don't want to!
Give him the key then! Ah!
It's so strange!
Open it, Rez! Fuck!
Yeah. Box!
Grab it, open the box! What the fuck?
Get back over here, homie!
Kill the box! Look at fucking dumbo!
I got it!
Let's sell it! Let's sell, hurry! Well, let's go explore, actually.
Hold up.
Hold on, let's go explore around. Get on the roof. I see look at area. Can we go through the area? Yo! Come over here. I found a circus. I'm gonna get fun circus. Yep, already got it.
Get it. Get it.
Sorry, down the way, sorry. Follow me, go right here, there's a circus right here, there's like a circus.
Oh, we need the key?
They're not locked over here. Hold on, get your grappler out, let's go explore. This is a one shot. I'm getting flashbacks again. I can't open it. Oh shit! Oh! Ah! What the fuck? Snitch ass bitch! You fucking bitch ass!
Get back here, buddy!
Get back here, buddy! Oh shit!
Oh shoot, we need a gun or something.
I killed RPG!
Where?
Right there!
Get it!
Okay, let's go to this fireplace over here. I see like fire.
Hold up.
Grab it and run! Stay there! I got this!
Yeah,
My ninja skills!
I'm gonna come back with weapons.
Alright.
I'm coming back with weapons.
If you hit the snitch, it will like get out of the zombies over here. And so, oh here, Ryan's! He's back from the dead!
Lorenz, you're here!
And also,
Wait, your sword's red.
what the fuck? My sword is red!
What?
My sword's red!
Your swords get red when you hit them.
Yeah, your sword turns red. I don't want.
I will go mine for graveyards to get to like kill this. Plus all the shit. And your sword's in there still. The last. No! I got the last steer in here.
Let's see. How much we get?
How much money is that? Ooh, that's a lot of money. Alright, that's the end of this video. In today's video, like and subscribe, and also pee poo before.